Hi everybody, welcome back to Bernie's Takeout. Today I'm going to make a simple Caesar salad and it's going to be, the chicken will be a Cajun flavoured chicken. So the ingredients we need, I have laid out here, is quite simple. So you need your chicken in the strips, cubes, whichever way you prefer it for the Caesar. You need bacon bits. I actually use these, the pancetta. I much prefer that, and I use the unsmoked because I find the smoked has too strong of a flavour off it. Then we just use our Parma cheese. You can grate it out with a block or buy it already grated. This is the Cajun seasoned spices, just your classic Caesar salad sauce. Then I have these just to put over the salad, just to add. You can also add sesame seeds, sunflower, pumpkin seeds, anything to give the salad a bit of a crunch, and salt, and the most important ingredient, white wine vinegar to dress the salad with. So first things first, we will put the bacon on to fry. So again, on a medium heat, like this on, and we put our oil in. Pop our bacon bits on. Again, low heat. You know, everyone kind of puts things on a high heat to get a crisp or to get things cooking. A low heat is going to do the exact same thing. So that's one bowl gone. We'll come back here then and we'll marinate our chicken. So, lazy, you can make the Cajun seasoning yourself, which I can do in another episode. But this is like home from work, you're wrecked, you just want something good, tasty, but again, healthy. So I just sprinkle the chicken. You can mix this with a spoon or your hands, or I don't add any oil, this is just straight onto the chicken. And again, that just gives that a few minutes. Soak in those flavours. I don't go extreme here and cover it with cling film, nothing like that. So I'm just going to get on with the salad. So this is mixed rocket, spinach, beetroot shredded, just lamb leaves, everything I could find. So we put it into the bowls, or wherever you're going to be serving it from. Watercress, everything is in here. The beetroot, again, I'm not a great lover of beetroot, but it gives a lovely kind of slight crunch to this, and it doesn't overpower with its flavour. Now to dress the salad, I always put these ingredients on it. Oops. So I'm putting salt and white wine vinegar. Bacon is starting to put smaller pieces. So I'll turn that way. So I'm crushing my salt. You can use pink Himalayan salt, sea salt, normal, already grinded salt. I prefer to grind my own salt. And I'll sprinkle it over the salad. And I actually sprinkle a good bit generously. So it's just salt and white wine vinegar. And with this then I drizzle over, again, generously, to 2 plates. This is where I like to add some pumpkin seeds or some sesame seeds or sunflower seeds. I'm out of pumpkin seeds, so I'm just going to do some sunflower seeds. And I just think that gives another dimension, a bit more texture, and also added vitamins. As you can see now, the bacon is getting to that nice consistency. You want it nice and crispy but not burnt. And that's why if we had it at a higher heat, it would be burning out. I'm going to rinse out this bowl and put the bacon back into this bowl. So I'm happy with those bacon bits now. They're nicely golden brown. So I'm going to put them into this bowl. Turn this off. Now I try not to take any of the oil, just the bacon off the pan. And put it into this little bowl. Now I find the bacon or the pancetta in this case, I find it kind of salt in it, and it can cause kind of a roughness on your pan. So I actually like to clean out the pan before I put the chicken in it. And this would be the quickest way of doing that. You're getting the grit. Be careful not to burn when the oil soaks into the tissue. Then we go back, we add some oil, and this is time for the chicken. It's always easier to work with a clean surface or a clean pan. So I'll let that oil heat now there for a moment. I'll always, again, cook at a very low heat. So I like to cook it around the sides of the pan because that's where the heat radiates to, and it will be at its most even. Just going to add some more oil. And that's our chicken, cooking away slowly. You want it to be cooked thoroughly. So always take time when you're cooking chicken. Have it on a low heat. You can sprinkle more Cajun if you want more. The bacon then is slightly cooled, so I can toss the bacon onto the salad as much or as little as you like. Next, I'm going to put some cheese on it. You can grate it or buy it already grated. If you like the flakes, you could get the flakes as well. So I'm just doing this, it's a pre-dressing, because I will top some over it again. And sauce, give a good shake, and drizzle slightly. Moving from side to side, so you're not getting one big blob. And again on this plate. Back to the chicken, I'm just going to turn that. See, that's cooking nicely, but they are quite chunky pieces, so we want to make sure they're cooked all the way through. So when these have cooked, I will pop them on here and let them cool. Just to number one, if you put them on when they're hot from the pan, they're going to wilter everything and kind of just take the colour and the crunch look out. So I would recommend letting them cool once they're cooked. Now, if you've large pieces of chicken like this and you're nervous that it's not cooked through, you can always divide the chicken in half, and you can see there how it's snow white. This is a big one, I'll do it to here, and it's snow white. But this chicken is actually cooked. So we're going to turn it off, let it cool there for a moment. I'm going to take these off and let them cool. As you can see, they're piping hot, and it would just destroy your whole dish by putting something this hot onto a delicate salad base. You can see the whiteness of the chicken that I broke in the middle to check that it was cooked. Again, if you prefer your chicken a little bit more crispier, just leave it on for longer. Not necessarily at a hotter heat, just for longer on a low heat. So I'm going to leave that there, and I'm going to set the table because I have a guest to share this with today, and I will show you the end result in a few moments.
Hi Bernice, thank you so much for having me over. Cheers, my dear.
This is the best part of the job. Helen is delighted. So this is our Caesar salad all ready to eat, and you saw it only took a few moments as Helen waited patiently at the sides for it. So
I can't wait to dig in.
Buttons up, and hope to see you again on the show next week. Bye guys.